Have you ever pondered on the journey to becoming a full-stack developer? It's a fascinating process, filled with numerous steps and a plethora of knowledge to gain. Today, we are delving into the world of full-stack development, decoding its complexity, and making it easier for anyone to comprehend. First, let's unravel the term full-stack developer. A full-stack developer is a professional who can handle all the work of databases, servers, systems engineering, and clients. Essentially, they are proficient in both front-end and back-end languages, as well as in server, network, and hosting environments. To become a full-stack developer, one must embark on a journey of learning and mastering a variety of skills. The first step is to gain a strong foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web, enabling the creation of visually engaging and interactive websites. Next, one must venture into front-end and back-end development. Front-end development involves working with tools like React.js, AngularJS, and Bootstrap to create the parts of a website that users see and interact with. On the other hand, back-end development involves working with languages like Python, Java, and PHP, and tools like Node.js to build the server side of websites, which are essential for site functionality. Databases are another crucial part of full-stack development. Understanding how to work with SQL and NoSQL databases like MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB is vital. Developers must know how to store, retrieve, and manipulate data effectively. Beyond this, a full-stack developer must grasp the principles of web hosting and be familiar with cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. They must know how to deploy websites and applications on these platforms, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently. Moreover, a full-stack developer should have a keen eye for UI/UX design principles. They must be able to design user-friendly interfaces that offer a seamless user experience. Lastly, but equally important, are soft skills. Problem-solving, patience, attention to detail, and good communication are all part of the full-stack developer's toolkit. In summary, full-stack development is a multifaceted field that requires knowledge and skills in various areas. From mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, venturing into front-end and back-end development, understanding databases, grasping web hosting principles, to honing UI/UX design skills and soft skills, the journey to becoming a full-stack developer is indeed a comprehensive one. However, it's a journey worth embarking on. Full-stack developers are highly sought after in the tech industry, and offer valuable skills that can lead to rewarding career opportunities. So, if you're contemplating a career switch or just curious about full-stack development, why not dive in and explore this fascinating field?